Game, I spoke to them. I told them that this is so important. That you're the first men's volleyball team who participate in World Championship. Pag tumanda na kayo dyan, masasabi mo sa mga anak ninyo, sa mga apo ninyo, that I was part of this men's World Championship team in the history. Kasi hindi na mahulit yan. Once in a lifetime na experience sa kanila yan. So I told them, sabi ko na, let's have fun, enjoy, do what you need to do. Contour ni Coach Frigoni, and they did. They played well. Kung ganyan lang ang laro natin lagi, I think we have a big chance sa SEA Games sa Tiger. The level is very high. They were also so focused. So, yun, I really look forward that we will play more better. I hope we can play better, more in a run. Let's give them a good game, good match. And of course, the SEA Games will tayo in December.
Sir, yun nga, since nandito na, 1 win away na pwede pa mag round of 16, kano lang kayo excited against Iran?
I'm praying, as I said, step by step, and will give us more confidence to play with Iran. Iran is not an easy match, but they lost to Egypt. No? So, ang daming upset ng World Championship, ang daming surprises. You know, France lost to Finland 5-set. But, so, I think na they are now confident na they can do it pala. Akala natin, underdog tayo masyado, tayo pinakamababang ranking sa world. Kaya naman pala. Some is a program, their support from the private sector, kaya pala. So we will continue this program with our men's volleyball team para tuloy-tuloy na tayo.
Wala ka bang last minute meeting kay Coach bukas or with the captain?
Well,
ano balak mo sa
I will talk to them again for the match on Thursday. No? Thursday
before the match?
Before the match ulit. And just let them know again that they did a very good job today. Not really a good job, an excellent job. And I hope we continue this momentum winning against Egypt tonight. And I hope we can get more Filipino audience Thursday.